friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to make a basic facial scrub using some organic sugar. Now the things you'll need is a container and then some brown sugar, organic sugar, and some olive oil or coconut oil and half a lemon. Now in the container, mix all the ingredients together. First add some sugar. Sugar is useful for exfoliating. Now add in some base oil. It can be any oil, almond oil or olive oil, anything as per your wish. Squeeze in some lemon. Lemon is it has a lot of vitamin C, which helps in brightening the skin. Mix it well so that the sugar melts a bit and it is not that aggressive on your skin. You can store this up to a month. Do try this recipe at home, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.